Bro, have you ever received an invitation link to join EFSANE? They say there's an airdrop, you can earn dollars, just recruit people. It's so easy, right? But I didn't join right away. And now the viewers of this channel are asking me to discuss it, so I dug deep for all of you. Hey, I am Anton, and in this video I won't be promoting, but I will dissect. What is EFSANE? How does it work? Is there really a profit opportunity or just data collection? And most importantly, why I personally am not participating in this program. EFSANE claims to be an all-in-one Web3 platform. They say it's a combination of airdrops, crypto games, token price predictions, and community content. When you register, they promise free tokens. The token names vary. There are people, EFS, and possibly more tokens in the future. So you open their app, claim tokens, and later you can withdraw them during the official launch. To make it more lively, they also implement a referral system. If you invite friends to register using your link, you get extra bonus points. And they say, if you can gather 50 referrals, you get $20. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary airdrop, especially now that many Web3 projects use the freebie strategy to attract early users. But this is where the suspicion signals start to appear. Because if all their features still aren't working, tokens can't be withdrawn, and the only active activity is inviting people to register. This is starting to look very much like a recruitment scheme. Moreover, you're not asked to buy products, not asked to use the app. You're only asked to input data, register, and invite others to register. Truly like building a network, not building a product. I'm starting to think, is this platform really building a Web3 ecosystem? Or just trying to gather as much traffic and database as quickly as possible? So the process goes like this, bro. You sign up, get an airdrop token, then you invite your friends to sign up too. That's it. That's all. There's no further step to use the app. No education, no learning, no real transactions happening. You can get bonus tokens, even claim $20. But the requirement is you have to invite 50 people to sign up. Now this starts to not make sense to me. Because systems like this give more value to the number of people you bring, not the value you contribute to the platform. You don't need to understand crypto, don't need to use the product, don't need to share insights. As long as you sign up and invite others to sign up. And we all know, bro, this kind of model has been used many times in unhealthy schemes. It's not about building a community or a product, but about making people recruit others en masse. That's why my radar immediately went off, because this is no longer about education or Web3 technology innovation. It's starting to look like gather as many people as possible before they run away. I'm not suspicious, bro, but teaching people about crypto has made me extra cautious about systems that only give incentives to invite others to sign up, especially if that's the only feature currently active. I'm not just dismissing this project, bro. I've looked into it thoroughly, examined it from various angles, and honestly, I found some things that made me immediately pull the handbrake. One strange domain, 222u.com. Bro, just the domain name alone makes you think, how can a Web3 platform that's supposed to build a big ecosystem have branding like 222u.com? There's no mention of EFSANE at all. It looks like a random domain made quickly. I start to wonder, is this a long-term brand building effort or just chasing short-term hype? 2. Warning from Reddit, similar to a scam from Turkey. When I checked Reddit, the hangout spot for the crypto community that often exposes projects. There were several threads saying this project is very similar to an active scam campaign from Turkey. Some even mentioned the previous domain name, efsanetr.com, which then changed to 222u.com. The promotional style is also the same, giving away tokens, referral schemes, but all transactions are empty. The token's origin is unclear and there are many fake testimonials. This is no longer an assumption, bro. There are digital traces discussed within the community. 3. Steve Wozniak. Video. Fake? You know who Steve Wozniak is, right? Founder of Apple. Well, there's a video of him supposedly showing support for EFSANE. But when I investigated, it turns out he was a victim of a scam video misuse on YouTube. He even sued Google and YouTube because his face and voice were used in fake videos encouraging people to send crypto with promises of doubling. So bro, if there's another Wozniak video being used for promotion now, I consider it not validation but a red flag. For $20 commission per 50 people, is it worth it? You get $20 if you can get 50 people to sign up. That means only 400 rupiah per person you refer. And that's only if their registration is truly valid. Can you imagine the effort of sharing links everywhere, wasting time to get petty cash, without knowing the real value of the platform? For me personally, time and reputation are more valuable than $20. And if this platform fails, you won't just lose time, you'll lose trust from friends, followers, and even your own community. I understand. Many of you are looking for additional income from the online world. Affiliate marketing is one of the most reasonable paths, as long as you choose the right program. At least, there are 3 things you must check before promoting something to others. 1. There is a real product. A healthy affiliate program has a product that you can see, use, or study, not just imaginary tokens or promises of the future. If the platform closes today, you can still tell people, I have gained benefits from this product. 2. There is educational value. Personally, I prefer promoting products that teach something, whether it's about finance, productivity, technology, or even AI content. Why? Because when people gain knowledge, they feel grateful. And you earn commissions with a clear conscience, not because you trap people into a system you yourself doubt. 3. The commission is reasonable. It doesn't have to be large, but proportional. If you help sell an ebook priced at 200,000 and get 60,000, that makes sense. If you help sell software and get 40%, that's fair. It's different from a system that gives you $20 after you bring in 50 people to register without knowing what the product is. Shopee affiliate. You can choose relevant products yourself, such as crypto gear, cold wallets, financial books. GoLogin, tool for privacy and multi-account work. Perfect for promotion because you also use it for content creation. Basically, bro, affiliate can be a long-term income stream, but if you choose carelessly, you might ruin the trust of people you've worked hard to build. That's why I choose to help sell those who clearly have products, knowledge, and benefits. I always listen to the audience, bro. If many of you ask me to discuss something, I'll put my ego aside and try to see from different perspectives. I don't want to be an influencer who only talks about blue chip coins, charts, and mainstream news. I want this channel to be an honest and educational place, even to expose projects that I find unconvincing. That's why, even though I didn't register for EFSANE, I still researched and made this video. So you can make a decision with more complete information, not just following the hype from WhatsApp groups or referral links from friends. And honestly, bro, I'm not saying EFSANE is definitely a scam. I'm also not accusing anything. But until I made this video, I haven't found a strong reason to join. The website doesn't have clear technical information. The token can't be withdrawn yet. And features like games, price predictions, or Web3 communities, all are still just promises. If they can prove themselves with transparency and a clear roadmap, then we'll discuss it again. But I'm not the type to easily FOMO just because I'm given free tokens. I understand. Maybe some of you have already signed up for EFSANE. No problem, bro. Everyone has their own choices. The important thing now is to share your experience in the comment section. Did the token really go through? Can it be withdrawn? Is the referral system smooth or a flop? I want to get insights directly from those who have tried it themselves. This channel is not a place to judge, but a place to learn together. So the more experiences shared, the stronger our community becomes. And for those of you who want to start affiliate marketing in a healthy way, I've prepared links in the description. There are digital products from GoLogin up to crypto gear on Shopee. Clear products, real benefits, and the commissions are not shy about it. By supporting this channel, you also get genuinely useful products. Win-win, bro. Lastly, don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe, so more people won't fall into blind FOMO. It's not because we're anti-profit, but because we learn to profit using our brains.